guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Ardell Aqua Lashes. No adhesive needed, dip and apply, water activated lash band. I am so skeptical of these lashes. Also, can you reuse them? Can you not reuse them? Once you use them once and dip them in water, is that like it? Is this a one-time use? I don't know. These are inherited makeup. I was given these by a family member, so we are trying them out today. Also, before we move on, I tried something with my eyes. I tried like a black kohl pencil liner and smudged it out. It didn't work out so well. If I have yellow eyeshadow on, if you see black get up on my lid, I have hooded eyelids. Let me live my life. I tried something new. So yeah, just had to put that out there before we move on. First, these are these. How much are these? I don't even know. Since they were given to me by a family member, they are inherited makeup. Alright, so these look like they kind of vary in price. Walmart says $4.88, Target $5.99, Sally Beauty $7.69, Ulta Beauty $5.99. So they range anywhere from like $6 to $8 depending on where you get them. Let's open them up and see what we got. I have the style 341. I don't know if they come in other styles. These are the lashes up close and personal. They look similar to like the Wispies. They're a little bit shorter on the inner corner, flare out. I like that kind of look on me. And then it also comes with this little instruction paper. It says easy 3-step application. It is never easy when it says easy. I'm just putting that out there. Alright, so let me go through the steps as I am showing you the steps, I guess. We'll see, I don't know. First it says check fit, align band with natural lash line to check your fit. Remove lash tabs by trimming each end. Trim any excess lash for fit if necessary. The next step is activate adhesive. Immerse lash band in warm water for 10 to 15 seconds. Ensure lash band is fully saturated before applying to lash line. Okay, I have a little medicine cup full of warm water here. So I'm going to take my little lash tweezers and immerse them for 10 to 15 seconds, I guess. Well, now the lashes are just wet. Cool. Alright, next step, apply lashes. Secure lash band by pressing onto lash line. Okay. Am I supposed to like dry the lashes off though? Because the lashes are now wet. Alright, so here we go. Here is the lash applied. The lash itself is very wet though. And now like parts of it aren't sticking. Alright. Give me a second. I don't... Okay, so here's the thing. It's stuck on my eye very well in the middle. However, on the inner and outer corner, it keeps popping up and it's not like sticking all that well. No matter how firmly I press it. Maybe I just need to like hold it there for a minute. I guess I just don't see why this is a need in the lash community. Can someone tell me why this is a need? Alright, also I'm not wearing any mascara because I figured I don't have any waterproof mascara, and I figured water activated lashes probably wouldn't mix well with mascara, but I did curl my lashes ahead of time. I just feel like they're not applying all that well or easily. Like, they keep popping up, and that's a problem to me, because if like my lashes are gonna keep popping up. Let's do the other one. All right, so we got our warm water, we got our lash. Hold it for 10 seconds or 15. All right, pull it out. Fully saturated. Alright, this eye that I did, the second eye, feels so much more secure than the first eye did, but it still feels very moist, and it does not feel very secure. Okay guys, so here we are. I'm a little closer to the camera, I think. I don't know. So, here are my thoughts. Maybe I should put a little bit of mascara on the bottom, so that'll make it look a little better. I don't know. Alright, now I just got mascara everywhere. Okay, so I still don't have mascara on the tops lashes, just the bottom ones, because my top lashes are like soaking wet from the lash itself. And I also feel like my lashes are kind of drooping down today because I couldn't, where the adhesive was on the Aqua band, I like couldn't put them at the angle that I usually put them at. So that's already kind of like score one against the Aqua lashes. They're on my eyes, however, they're dried down a bit, but I'm still having the same problem that I was telling you guys in the beginning, that like the outer corner and the inner corner are just continually keep popping up, and they're not like sticking down very, very well. I don't know if that's a placement flaw. I don't know if that's like a me flaw. I don't know if maybe my water just wasn't hot enough. I did warm, but not too warm because my eyes are sensitive and I didn't want like the warm adhesive to like hurt and burn my eyes. So maybe I just needed warmer water. But they're on there and they do look nice. Like, they're not bad. They're a nice lash. I think I'm a little confused at why this product is needed. Glue to me works a little bit better, and it's still adhesive. Like, for people who are about to say like, well, it's water. Well, it's water activated adhesive. It's still a glue. You're still gluing something to your eye line. Yeah, I don't know. I think for $8 it's a lot. For $5 it's still a lot to me as well. I did look up online if they were reusable, and one of the answers on Cosmoprof Beauty says depending on the amount of eye makeup residue on the lash, you can reuse the Aqua Lash by dipping it in water again. If there's too much residue on the lash, simply clean off the band and use your favorite lash adhesive to get more wear out of the pair. So then in essence they aren't really reusable, because once like you use the water activated adhesive, they're adhered. Like, you can't really get that activation back. I don't know. I like the lashes. I like the style. I will probably use them again just with my own lash glue. I don't know, have any of you guys used the Aqua Lashes, the Ardell Aqua Lashes? I've seen them everywhere recently and they work. I mean, I'm not trying to say they don't work, but I think it's a little bit of a complicated effort for them to work. And also, not everybody's working with waterproof makeup every day. You know, like, for me to have used these on a regular basis, I would need to use waterproof mascara, which I don't really care for because it aggravates my eyelashes and sometimes is hard to get off. I'd have to use waterproof eyeliner, which I don't know if this is, the eyeliner I used today was the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner. I don't know if that's waterproof. I don't know. I just feel like there's a lot of effort to use water activated adhesive when you could just use regular lash adhesive. I don't know. That's my thoughts. I do like them though. I like how they look. They're like a nice light everyday casual lash, if you will. I just think that the application method is kind of complicated. If you are going to use the Aqua Lashes, use warmer water and then maybe take a tip of a paper towel and dry the lashes off, not the band, the lashes off before you put them on. Because whenever you submerge the lash in the water, the lashes get very, very wet, not just the band. So I would do that. I would make sure you dry the lashes off, use very warm water, not hot, very warm water. And yeah, that's probably what I would do. I don't know, I just feel like they're a little tricky and complicated when you can just use lash glue. And that's not tricky or complicated at all. Yeah, anyways. So I will link these down in the description box below, so if you are interested in them, you can check them out on your own time. Have you used these? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you think this is a good idea? Do you not think this is a good idea? Do you like these like innovations for lashes or not? I personally just love my Dollar Tree Ayani lashes. I get them for $1 a pack. I wear them several times. They wear well, they look nice, they have so many different styles. That's personally my thought on it. I do like trying these products out though. I am just a little skeptical at why we need water activated lash adhesive. So if someone could tell me that down in the comment section below, let's start a conversation. Love to have one with you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.